In this video will show you how to set up a gradebook in Moodle using percentages. The first thing we want to do is come over here and click on Grades. And you'll see the gradebook here. And what we're going to do is go up here to Grade Report, click on Full View. And you'll notice here the Technology Sandbox is the course, and it's set up for weighted means of grade, and the course total is 100, which is exactly what we want. And what we need to do now is add categories. So we'll click here on Add Category. And my category name, the first one I'll use is Quizzes. The aggregation will be Simple Weighted Means of Grades. And I'll hit Save Changes. And then I'll change the weight. I'm going to make this 30. I'll click Save Changes. Then I'm going to add a new category. I'll call this one Homework. Aggregation will stay the same. You'll see now I've got this parent category total. It will stay with Technology Sandbox. It does drop that quizzes in there, but this is where we want it to be. So we'll hit Save Changes. And I'll make my quizzes 30% as well, and Save Changes. So now I have my course. I've got two categories, so I'll add a third. Call this one Test, and Save Changes. I'll make that 40. So now my gradebook is set up with my 3 categories of assignments and the percentage that each category will be. So the next step I need to do, I'm going to click back on Grades. So here you can see quizzes, homework, tests, and the category totals. So I'm going to add some assignments. So I'm going to click back on my sandbox. I'll turn editing on. I'm going to add an activity, and I'll just add a quiz. So quiz 1. Now the key here is every time you add an assignment of any sort that you're going to grade, is that once you name it, you go down here to Grade, and you change and choose the correct category. So I'm going to put this in Quizzes. Go down here and just return to my course. Now when I click on Grades, you'll see that Quiz 1 has been added under Quizzes. And so the way this works is the students will do the assignments as the grades are calculated, Quiz 1, Quiz 2, and so forth. And then the category totals will update as well, and that will update the course total, and that is all you have to do. So for each new assignment, we'll do another one. We'll just say assignment. So we'll go down here, find grade. So my category will change to homework. Save and return to course. Now when I click on grades, so I have a quiz and I have a homework. Now you'll notice over here it says error. That's just because we don't have any students in the class or anything going on. But you can see how I can get all of this set up ahead of time so that once students start doing work, all of this will just automatically populate and calculate out. And that is how you create the gradebook.